Hey, this day? Hey.
What do you say?
No idea. Right. We're on a headphone hunt to replace my headphones. Hey, an ankle grinder. Something you don't hear very often here. So we're going to see how much headphones cost. Specifically Audio Technica ones and some Bose ones. Mine shut themselves, which isn't good when you're travelling. So let's go and vlog this and see if it's anything interesting. The place we're going to is supposed to be a pretty slick audio visual joint that has all the brands under the one roof.
The name of the store?
What's the name of it?
Queen of the Women's Salon.
Queen of the Women. Queen of the Woman. Up there, yeah. Looks very fancy.
For rich people.
Yeah. Let's just get through here. What I like about Phnom Penh is that if you want something, there'll be like 15 to the same shop around you. So if we don't find what I need at this joint, I'm sure there won't be one too far away.
There. There.
There it is. Shing Sim Centre. Does it sound dodgy? We'll find out. Let's get through traffic. Gold Camry. Got PAs. All of the PAs. Jesus. Righto. Let's just turn this off for a sec. So this place is actually a fair dinkum guitar shop, musical instrument shop, another shop as well. So it's a fair bit of gear in here. Bit dusty. I don't know what the market is for guitars. That's a beefy bass. What's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 string bass. Jesus. So these headphones are $150 US, which is a heap of money. Is it asking if you can do anything better on that price?
I'll show the light today. Don't mind, man.
They're only like $50 in the States, about $100 in Australia.
150.
130. No, thank you. We're back soon. Upwards down. What's that? 130 is about $200. If that's what they want for a mid-level brand, what's Bose going to cost? Freaking hell. Glamorous here. The GoPro shop. Get everything in Phnom Penh. Good day. Cameras and all sorts of things. Hey, this day? Hey.
What do you say?
No idea. Traffic is not moving. She does not look pleased about it either. There's some places, Joshua, that I feel pretty safe. Good day. Yeah, good gag, eh? It's a very, very clean shop just to have light bulbs in it. Yeah. Usually, huh? And one really comfy looking couch in there. Someone has been watching the Fast and the Furious. This guy's filling up his motorbike and is using the tried old method of a plastic bag.
And a plastic cup.
Plastic bag and plastic cup. Good job on that. Pop that down there. Phnom Penh Optics. Broken asbestos. It's probably not asbestos. But here in Asia, everything's asbestos. Gold Camry.
Why is this place called Dancing Tongue?
Where?
There, in Khmer.
In Khmer, so Anda Rom Khmer food means dancing tongue.
On that is tongue.
Huh?
On that is tongue.
Yeah.
Rom is dance.
Ah,
Dancing tongue.
there you go. Well, we have arrived at the Bose showroom. Only the rich VIPs shop at Bose. And the desperate Westerners looking for quality earphones. I am not looking forward to seeing how much this stuff costs.
As always, most customers.
Is this day? There's a million people here. Here we go. QC 30. 380 US. 380 US.
500 bucks.
500 bucks.
Mm.
Oh, right, so they were 380 bucks US, which is a lot. It's like 550 Australian. I don't know, at JB Hi-Fi you can get it for like 440 and probably get a discount on top, so I don't know whether it's worth shelling out for that much. Although they were good, but geez, I don't know if they're that good.
It would worth it you buy for your wife.
Oh, is that right? Are you into men's fashion? Well, King of the Man may be the place for you. For all your faded motif needs, King of the Man.
Or do you want to get your phone fixed at the Dr. Phone?
Oh, Dr. Phone. Easy turbo. Maybe the Panamera is the owner of Dr. Phone. Like all good doctors, they own a Porsche. Good sign. Alright, we got some headphones. I paid very close to what I'd pay at home for them, so I'm not too disappointed. They're nowhere near as good as the Bose ones, but nowhere near as expensive. Well, there's a walk and a shop around Phnom Penh, hopefully concluding soon with some lunch, but give you a bit of an idea of what it's like to walk around. I might put some other videos up of some malls we checked out and other bits and pieces and some gold Camry spotting. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Catch you later.